Another move para sa LA Lakers, they will sign Zion Williams to a 1-year veteran minimum deal. A low-risk, high-reward move para sa Lakers. 24 years old pa lang and a former 10 pick overall. Dahil nga sa kanyang raw athletic tools, kaya ito naging lottery selection. At kailangan ngayon ng Lakers ng perimeter size and length off the bench after mawala ni Rui. Swerte na nga nila kasi nakahanap pa sila ng ganitong player on a minimum deal. Kasi walang-wala na silang cap space dahil sa contract ng tatlo nilang stars. Pero going to Williams, meron siyang defensive growth sa Nets, averaging 1.4 steals tapos limited minutes lang He just needs to improve his shooting kasi 34% lang sa 3-point distance last season. Pero ano sa tingin nyo, Lakers fans? Pwede na rin, 'di ba? Next, the Heat is having a strong interest kay Klay Thompson and it makes perfect sense kasi desperado ang team na to for elite floor spacing after that Giannis trade. Yes, yung paint nila is unstoppable, Bam Adebayo, Giannis Antetokounmpo. Pero paano yung gravity sa outside? Kung wala kang shooters, mafu-force yung defenders to help inside and mahihirapan na yung front court ng Heat. Kahit 36 years old na si Klay, meron pa rin defensive respect sa kanya yung mga kalaban. Alam ka namang iwan mo pa rin sa labas, di ba? Kahit nga off night yan, parang magdadalawang isip ka pa rin mag-help kung iiwan mo naman si Klay Thompson. Last season is career low on his shooting percentage at 38.3%. Ang problema is yung kanyang contract worth 17.5 million expiring yan And walang plano yung Mavs na magkaroon ng buyout. Ang magmamatch lang sa ganito is trade for the Heat and yung kailangan nilang bitawan ay si Nikola Jovic na merong remaining 4-year contract. So, what do you think, Heat fans? Next, wala pa ring desisyon si LeBron James. Baka pinapatapos niya lang yung World Cup para andun lahat ng headline. Pero ayon sa mga reports is malapit na talaga. Andyan yung Cavs, Heat, Warriors, 76ers, Wolves, at kahit ang Nuggets ay gusto rin. Yung mga front office nga daw is nag-send na ng kanilang mga pitch kay Rich Paul. So nakakatawa nga yung kay Luke Cornett na going to the Spurs. And nilagyan ko rin ng ticket yung LeBron to Spurs. So sana Wizards, Spurs, ganyan. Yun yung mga nilagyan ko para may pang tagay. Lahat naman ng teams na nabanggit is pasok sa kanyang criteria. Contender, ready to compete, at mag-e-enjoy siya ng kanyang mga final year sa basketball. Yung Cavs kasi yung pinaka top of the line kasi poetic final chapter. Pero yung Warriors is nagpupush rin sina Curry at Green. Syempre daw, gumawa rin sila ng kanilang pitch. Sobrang tagal no? Kayo ba? Saan kaya mapupunta si LeBron James? Next, another second round pick revelation. Para sa New York Knicks, si Tyler Nickel. Ang 22-year-old ay 47th pick ng Suns pero he was traded sa Knicks and naglalaro na siya sa Summer League team. And he wants that 14th spot in the roster, averaging 17 points and 48% from the 3-point distance. Is may inganyo talaga ang defending champs. Kaya sa 2-way contract is he is playing like the Knicks really need him. Kasi in the past 2 seasons, may iniinda palagi sina Landry Shamet at Miles McBride. So, having a reliable shooter na ready to plug sa rotation is crucial. Another gem para sa New York. And that's all for this video. Let me know all your thoughts in the comment section below. I will now step back. Bye-bye.